Hello, and welcome to Alexandria Library's Sustainability Series videos. I'm Christian Reynolds, and I'll show you how to repurpose an old towel into reusable wipes. These have many uses and can replace single-use paper towels, saving our natural resources. Here's what you'll need for your project. An old towel. I'm using a rotary cutter with its ruler and cutting mat, but you don't need to have that. You can just use some scissors and a ruler, thread, and a sewing machine. Cut the towel into whatever size you like. I prefer 5-inch by 8-inch wipes. My rotary cutter blade needs to be replaced, but you can see how these cutters can be useful. But they are expensive, so scissors work well too. Now sew around the edges of each piece using a tight zigzag stitch. The buttonhole setting on your machine works well. Here's a finished wipe. So, one towel gave us 20 wipes, this nice big stack of wipes. I use them in the kitchen, in the bathroom, all throughout the house. You can use them dry, just as they are. You can use them wet. You can use them with cleansers. Just use them and then throw them in the wash and reuse them. It can be messy making them. Get a lot of this fluff that comes off of them. So once you make them, you might want to trim the little edges, the pieces that will inevitably come out, and also trim them again the first time that you wash them. And they should give you many, many times of use. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.